Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to buy Pepe coin on Trust Wallet. So you want to go ahead and go to your Trust Wallet. I'm just going to click Manage Crypto and add Ethereum here so we would see it on Ethereum network because Pepe is on Ethereum network, so we want to use the same Ethereum. Now, if you don't have Ethereum, just click on it and click Receive or Buy. So if you want to receive it from, for example, Binance, you want to go ahead, click Receive. You will get this address, which you want to copy and paste it, for example, to Binance. So on Binance, I'm just going to click Withdraw, and from here, you want to choose Ethereum via crypto network, and from here, you enter the address, select the network, Ethereum, enter the amount, and withdraw it to your Trust Wallet. You can also go ahead and just click Buy ETH, and you can buy it with euros, USD, or some other currencies. As you can see, they have almost all of them. And you can pay with Apple Pay, credit card, bank transfer, or digital wallet. Now, once you will have ETH, you can just go ahead and click swap. Now you can swap it here. From here, you want to choose Ethereum network instead of Bitcoin. Once you have done that, you want to choose Pepe coin or just search for it. And now you enter the amount which you want to go ahead and spend. Basically, the network fee is, for example, for one Ethereum, so it's over $3,000, is $23. And yeah, guys, after this, you will see your Pepe on your Trust Wallet. If you will not see it here, make sure to click Manage Crypto, search for Pepe, and toggle it on, and now you will see it here. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.